If you're really concerned about everyone's well-being, you don't have to worry about your survival. The world will take care of you. Well, always, whenever people step out to do something that's of significance for everyone, always the general complaint that will come is, I'm doing good, but somebody else is saying this, somebody else is saying that, negative commentary is going on. Well, there will always be barking dogs. I want you to understand, even if Shiva comes down your street dogs will bark, that doesn't mean anything. It's important for one to understand, if you realize what you're doing is significant, value for life, other people's opinions should not matter to you. The only way you can ensure that your activity does not turn negative is always your concern is everyone's well-being of life around you. It's not about yourself. This one fundamental volition aspect or your intent is set. The rest is according to your capability to do things, something will happen, much will happen, believe me. Once you have set yourself a purpose, you don't have to worry about how. How will open itself, how will evolve, how will find many expressions, but the important thing is your purpose is of overall well-being, of what's around you, not about yourself. If this one thing you take care of, you never have to live in the fear of what about me. Once you drop this one calculation, what about me, your life is free and you live a wonderful life for sure. You live a truly fortunate life.